Madam Chair, after 3 years, nag-census ang SWS and Pulse Asia. 52% of our people still consider themselves poor. 25 to 27% of our people, after all the intervention of all these subsidies, they experience involuntary hunger. Gusto po nilang kumain, pero hindi sila makakain. What happened to all these ayudas na pinadala natin in the last 3 years? Ang dami po nun eh. Kasi po napopoliticize. Sabi po ng COA, talaga pong karaniwan, hindi po talaga tumutuloy doon sa talagang tinatarget nating sektor ng ating population. Kaya naisip ko po na para sa ganun ay madiretso natin, matukoy natin, direkta pong dumadaloy sa kanila at wala po sigurong corruption ito dahil direkta po sa kanila. Wala na pong politiko na nagagamit dito. At makakatipid pa po tayo. Can you imagine the ayudas na 250 billion pesos per annum? Pagkatapos after surveys, sasabihin 57% of our people feel that they are still poor. That is involuntary hunger. 44%